You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. I made another video on how it's pronounced in Russian, and I'll link to it if you want to watch it at the end of this one, because it's very interesting to have that reference. I'm gonna focus on the English pronunciation here, British English. Tsar. The R is silent in British English. Tsar. American English. Tsar. It's easy. And now you know. Watch that Russian video right here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.